Welcome back to the Digital Asset Report. This week, policymakers, asset managers, and public companies all moved further into the digital asset space. From interest rate debates in Washington to strategic Bitcoin offerings on Nasdaq, momentum continues to build across the financial landscape. President Trump said on Thursday he's working to create clear and simple framework that will allow America to dominate Bitcoin and crypto.
We unleashed American innovators to do what you do best: lead the world into new frontiers. We ended Operation Choke Point 2.0. I created the first presidential working group on digital assets. I named a pro-freedom, pro-innovation SEC chair, a great man named Paul Atkins, and we created the U.S. Strategic Bitcoin Reserve and the United States Digital Asset Stockpile. But we are not done yet. My administration is working with Congress to pass the Genius Act, supporting the creation of dollar-backed stablecoins. And we also will be working to create clear and simple market frameworks that will allow America to dominate the future of crypto and Bitcoin. Congratulations to everyone at this exciting time in your industry and in our country's life. I wish you all the best of luck.
Let's get into the news. President Trump criticized Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell this week, urging the central bank to cut interest rates by 2 percentage points. The president argued such a move could save the U.S. $600 billion annually, and suggested he may take further steps if inflation continues to fall and the Fed doesn't act. Other administration officials joined in. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick emphasized the economic benefit of lower rates, while Vice President J.D. Vance called the Fed's inaction monetary malpractice. Market expectations for a rate cut remain centered on September. Meanwhile, BlackRock has set its sights on becoming the world's largest crypto asset manager by 2030. Its iShares Bitcoin Trust now manages over $73 billion, making it the top spot Bitcoin ETF by assets. The company also leads in Ethereum ETFs. To expand its reach, BlackRock launched a Bitcoin ETP in Europe this March and also offers similar products in Canada. Its tokenized treasury fund Build is gaining traction, now leading the US market with $3 billion in assets under management. And International, the global arm of Alipay parent Ant Group, plans to apply for stablecoin licenses in Hong Kong, Singapore, and Luxembourg. Hong Kong's regulatory regime is expected to take effect in August, while Singapore continues to serve as a regional hub for digital finance. The move could position Ant among the first major fintech firms to issue regulated stablecoins in Asia, signaling broader institutional interest in tokenized payments. Strategy, meanwhile, launched a new preferred stock, STRD, on Nasdaq. The offering provides a 10% fixed annual dividend, the highest yield among its capital instruments. The company aims to raise nearly $1 billion through the sale, with proceeds expected to fund additional Bitcoin purchases. And GameStop just announced its $1.75 billion convertible bond offering that may support its growing interest in Bitcoin. Last month, the company added over 4,700 BTC to its balance sheet. CEO Ryan Cohen described the move as a hedge against macroeconomic risks. Following the announcement, shares fell amid questions about the company's strategy and parallels to the MicroStrategy Bitcoin-focused model. Analysts remain divided on whether GameStop can deliver long-term results through this approach. From monetary policy to corporate finance, digital assets are influencing decisions at the highest levels of government and industry. We'll be watching and reporting. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a like and a follow, and head over to bitgo.com to learn more.